Alright, if you start by opening your two images, so you've got the bear on one and this on the other, you want to copy this image. So to do that, if you press Control A, first of all, that selects all of it. Control C will copy it, and then go to where the bear is and press Control V so you paste it. Then Control T, that transforms the size of it. So you want it roughly about the same size as the bear. So let's just stretch it out till it's about right. You can move it up and down afterwards. Right, now if you take the bear and duplicate it just by dropping it onto this little plus sign, and then put the bear above so it looks like this up here, and then over in the tools all you want to do is be able to cut the bear out, so because it's a silhouette, easy way to do it is to just select subject at the top there. You should just select the bear, which it did. Now you can see this little line running around it. So now you want to make a mask, which is this little icon, and you'll see now the bear is the wrong way around, but if you press Control and I, which is invert, it will switch it so the bear is, so it's correct. Then if you want, you can click back to your original layer, press Control and T again, and now you could make this however you want. If you want it a bit bigger, or if you want to zoom in to a certain part.
What if you want to flip the bear?
If you want to flip the bear, all you do is go to the bear layer, press Control and T, that's transform again. Look, and then up here you right click and just say flip horizontal. Now flip the bear the other way.
And that's it, you save it.
Yep, and then just file, export. That's normally what I do. It's not coming. Oh, I didn't press.
Oh yeah, that's the check mark.
Yeah, then just file, export as, and then just choose whatever you want to export it as. JPEG is normally good, and then everything else as it is. Export. Where do I want to export it to? Desktop. Save. It already exists. Yep. Do I want to replace it? Then it should be on my desktop right there.
Small photo though, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's just, you can pick a big photo from Google.